Habari za wanafunzi. Today we are going to learn something new, not completely new, just adding to our knowledge of numbers, which is Kuhesabu, counting. And we've already done counting from 1 to 10. And so today we are going to learn how to count to 50. So what we are going to do is learn how to count in multiples of 10. So we'll learn how to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And one thing I should mention is when you're counting in Swahili, if it's, for example, 15, you say 10 and 5. If it's 16, it's 10 and 6. So for example, 15 would be, let me just start with you guys memorizing how to count in tens. So 10 is kumi. Kumi. Say kumi. 10. Kumi. 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 10. Kumi. Ishirini. Ishirini. Ishirini is 20. Ishirini. 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 20. Then we have thelathini. 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 Thelathini is 30. 30 is thelathini. Thelathini. Then we have arobaini. Arobaini. Or some people say arubaini. Arubaini is 40. Arubaini. This is arubaini. Then we have 50. 50 is hamsini. 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 Hamsini is 50. Hamsini. Hamsini. So let me just go back to, for example, 10. 11 would be kumi na moja. 12 would be kumi na mbili. 13 would be kumi na tatu. 14 would be kumi na nne. So we start with kumi. Ishirini. Say it with me. Thelathini. Arobaini. Hamsini. So your task for today is come to learn, go to learn. And when you're at learn, try to, what is 20? Is it arobaini, thelathini, ishirini, hamsini? Ishirini. Then once you're done with that, also please try to match. Go to match. And try to make everything disappear. What is arobaini is 40. So I'll just do that. So you guys can practice. Once you're done with watching the video, please practice on the site to do the exercises on flashcards, learn, match. If you're feeling very confident, you can try gravity and all the others, study stacks. Asanteni sana, and watch the other video on counting. Tutaonana baadaye. Kwaheri.